The manufacturing sector across the world is continuing to make contribution to the recovery of the global economy. Shandong Xinhai Mining Technology and Equipment Incorporated, a leading player providing EPC services to mines in China. It has expanded its business to set up branches in a number of countries, such as Indonesia, Iran, Sudan, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and in Peru. Has offered tailored solutions to clients from over 90 countries and regions. Aras Baran Gold Mine, based in Northwest, was one of the project's foreign clients who were fascinated by Xinhai's overall mine service system. Xinhai provided EPC service for this project, from mineral processing test, mine design, equipment manufacturing, package and shipping, installation and commissioning to workers' training. In a few rounds of talks, Xinhai's staff set out the project development to the client, including the mineral processing technology, construction conditions, project duration and cost estimation. Thus, the client comprehended how to construct the plant and generally knew the investments and benefits. Through multi-element analysis and screen analysis on the client's raw ore samples, Xinhai Mining Research Institute recommended 2 technical processes: stage grinding, one-stage gravity concentration and stage flotation, and stage grinding, stage gravity concentration and stage flotation. As the ore of this mine belonged to oxide ores, the cyaniding process would cost enormously. In addition, the use of toxic sodium cyanide would be harmful to production and environment. Compared with that, the flotation process could easily be handled and would use safe and environment-friendly agents. As a result, Xinhai adopted the process of stage grinding, one-stage gravity concentration and stage flotation for the client, which helped prevent risks and bring maximum benefits. To ensure that the mineral processing plant was in a perfect state, technicians of the Xinhai Mining Design Institute made strenuous efforts to design construction drawings based on the mineral processing flow, equipment model selection, plant terrain, and others. Apart from that, they created 3D simulations in order to offer proper mine design proposals and optimal industrial designs to the client. Over the past 20 years, Xinhai has accumulated plentiful experience in equipment design and manufacturing, while growing at a steady pace and focusing on research and development. The Production Management Department works hard to supervise the operation schedule so as to guarantee high-efficiency production. As part of our efforts to pursue perfection in every procedure, all the metal materials entering the factory are treated by sandblasting and rust removal prior to manufacturing. Xinhai has established a robust mechanism for package and transportation. Its logistics department uses computers to simulate the condition of the package on the basis of size, weight, lifting, and damp prevention of cargoes. After that, the goods are sorted and packed. The department also conducts space design for transportation so as to reduce the transportation costs. ensure that equipment and spare parts are in safe and sound conditions, and facilitate field management and installation. Given the fierce competition in the mining industry, the success of Xinhai keeping growing its business lies in its high quality and client-orientated services. On the plant side, the installation and commissioning staff are involved in the whole process. On one hand, they supervise and guide the works in relation to civil engineering and eliminate the potential risks. On the other hand, they improve the production and management process of the plant according to actual conditions, thereby delivering more economic benefits for the client. While guaranteeing the optimal technical and equipment indexes, Xinhai also gives thought to what impacts the water supply and drainage system and the dust removal system may have on the environment. First, black water pipelines are designed in the plant for recycling so that no water is discharged out to pollute the environment. Second, to curb the spread of dust, wet ores are fed as far as possible, and spray for dust control is arranged in the area where dust usually occurs. Dust-proof enclosed hood is also placed at each blanking spot. Automatic control dust cleaning equipment is applied and interlocking is adopted for fans and mineral processing equipment. Xinhai sends its engineers to provide operation, maintenance and emergency training for the workers of the plant, so as to help clients build their own technical teams and guarantee normal plant operation. Jafar Sagheni, Deputy Minister of the Industrial, Mining and Trade Ministry of Iran, paid a visit to the gold project and highly acclaimed the construction speed and quality led by the Chinese party. Among other visitors were the people's representatives of East Azerbaijan, religious leaders and mayor of Wozagan municipal government, and mining companies from Russia who gave high praise to the plant layout, equipment quality and plant technology. The Aras Baran gold mine was put into operation merely 11 months since the launching of the project. That represented a record-high non-ferrous mine construction speed in Iran's mining industry, a speed recognized by Iran's mining circle as China's speed, along the One Belt and One Road. The project witnessed 4 number 1 achievements in the mining sector of Iran. Currently, with a daily capacity of 350 tons, the project is able to produce 5,000 tons of high-grade gold concentrates every year and register a considerable annual output value of 70 million yen. Xinhai has come a long way since it was founded in 1997. With its 20 years of experience in over 500 EPC projects, it continues to offer world-class EPC services to clients and create maximum values for them while adhering to the principle of optimal solutions for your mine.